not try to ruin the bags. You do pay for the bags too. Do it for the thumbnail. I don't know why I'm like super nervous to do this video. Oh my god, this is so heavy. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I know it has been quite some time since I have made a video, since I have made an appearance on the tube, and I am so sorry about that. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you have been keeping up with my crazy life, and you know that these last couple of weeks I have been trying so desperately to graduate law school, and I finally did, and your girl is now a JD holder. So exciting. But yeah, that's what I've been doing these last couple of weeks. Graduation ceremony, and now I am studying for my bar certification, because when you become an attorney, you need your JD, which is like your degree when you graduate from law school. But in addition to that, you also need your certification to be an actual attorney. So it's kind of like you're an attorney now, but you're not really an attorney, and you still have to keep studying. But anyway, in the midst of my time away, I also managed to find a couple of days to get away. Went to Las Vegas, and when I went to Las Vegas, I did some shopping. I never thought I would say that I went luxury shopping, because your girl does not have like luxury shopping money to be, you know, just making it rain everywhere she goes. But I knew I was gonna be graduating, and I wanted to buy myself something really nice. Eric wanted to buy me something nice as well, and then my mother-in-law did get me one of the gifts that I'm gonna show you guys as well. So I did plan ahead for this. It is not like I just went over there and I'm like, all right, let's ball out. Before we get started, I have to throw out the disclaimer. I'm sure you guys are aware, this is not a luxury channel, so I am not like a luxury guru. I don't have like luxury tons of things. I do own some designer pieces that I have from a couple months ago that I have bought, some pre-loved items, so this isn't like my first designer purchase, but I don't always buy designer items. I just most recently have been able to start saving for items like that, so I'm very fortunate to do that, but I don't have like a massive collection of designer items or anything like that. I do, however, do a lot of research, because my day job is now being an attorney, so I do a lot of research. So even though I'm not like a luxury guru, I really do feel like I am well informed on the things that I purchase. So I will try to leave and give as much information as I can. I am not one to say prices on camera. It makes me feel a little bit awkward, and I definitely don't want to offend anyone. This is not to brag, this is not to show off at all. But let's get started with the first item, and I'm going to be starting from like, it's not cheap but inexpensive to most expensive, and I will explain details about that. I do have to tell you guys too, I have already opened this stuff, because after I got back from Las Vegas, my sister wanted to see, my mom wanted to see, everybody wanted to see what I got, and I'm like, you guys, I want to do an unboxing. I tried to put it back as much as I could as like the original packaging, but it's not going to be as nice and bougie. So the least expensive item is from Louis Vuitton. This is actually the first small leather good that I purchased from them. Particular small leather good actually does not come in this box. It's smaller than that, so you're going to get a smaller box when you go and buy it in store. When I was there, they ran out of small boxes, like it's a little bit smaller than this, so they ran out of small boxes, and the sales associate was like, do you want a bigger box? Are you okay with like a pouch? And it was literally like, my option was like a bigger box or like a pouch where they just like stick it in, and I'm like, no, I want a box. It's not gonna come in a box this big, but we undo the beautiful ribbon. Of course, you have the little slide drawer, following the little dust bag here. And so what I picked up was the Louis Vuitton key pouch. This is in the Damier Azur print. Here is the zip on it, and then here is that like keychain that you can, you know, tie to your keys, or you can keep it on like your jeans if you just want to be on the go with this one. And then on the inside here, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see. I will try to show you. It does have the Louis Vuitton logo here. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see because of my lights. And inside right here, you do have the serial number on it. I actually never thought I would buy this, but most recently, I just find myself sometimes wanting something like on the go. Like if I'm running errands, I'm going to like a sports bar or something, and I don't want to bring like a bag. I feel like I could just bring this and then we are good, especially because it has like the little keychain that you can put on there. I love the Damier Azur print even more than their like traditional monogram. And honestly, this isn't that pricey. I mean, it's still pricey for what it is, you know, a little key pouch, but this was under $500, and you just fit cards, and you can fit like your chapstick in here, or when you're on the go, you can just use this. And I also really like that I can use this if I want like a tiny card holder or tiny wallet for like my crossbodies and like my mini bags. This fits well because it's just a tiny little pouch. So I just feel like it's pretty versatile. Like I said, this is the Damier Azur, but they do have the monogram print Damier Abine one if you want that one too. And like I said, it wasn't too pricey. I've been really wanting this for some time, so I finally picked it up. All right, so next thing I got is actually the gift from my mother-in-law. Like I said, she wanted to buy me something nice for my graduation, and I've been wanting this for some time as well. So we stopped at Tiffany's. Beautiful Tiffany blue bag, and I am so sad that this bag is like all crinkled and everything, because I wanted it to be nice, but in the luggage it just got smushed with a bunch of other things. It comes in this beautiful Tiffany's packaging with the white, and like I said, I tried my best to put it back to like how it was. And then, oh, it's upside down. Tiffany Co. And when you open it, it comes with the little dust bag. Super tiny and cute. It's like a soft like suede bag. And we take it out, it is this really beautiful Return to Tiffany's pendant. It's just a standard silver pendant. So here you go, a close-up of it. Love like dainty jewelry, dainty pieces and stuff like that. And since I was in high school, I have wanted a piece from the Return to Tiffany collection. And I was on the fence between this one and the like chain one, but I just thought I would get more use out of this one right here. I have so many options there. There's one that has like, you know, a Tiffany logo on it. You can get like a thunderbolt or like an emblem on there. There's one that's like dipped in the like Tiffany blue if you want that as well. I just wanted like a straight silver one because I feel like it goes with a lot more pieces that I have in my collection. This is the large pendant, so they do have 3 sizes: a small, a medium, and then the large, and then an extra large, I think, actually, so 4. And then the chain that I got is the 20-inch chain. 20, yeah, the 20-inch chain. They have one that's longer, a 24-inch if you want, and then they have the 18 one as well. This one you buy separately, so you buy the pendant and then you buy the chain, and together both were under $500 as well. So it's actually not too pricey. It's just a little bit more expensive than the Louis Vuitton key pouch, around that price range, and I will have all the prices down below. So I think this is a great gift if someone else is graduating, or if you have like a loved one, a sibling or something that really would love something like this. I will leave the full thing that I got here. So this is the second thing that I picked up. Okay, so this next item was actually the last thing I purchased. I didn't purchase this in Las Vegas because we were trying to find the store of this designer in Vegas, and I couldn't find it anywhere. I don't know if like I had to venture out further. I would have thought that they had like a boutique where I could try shoes on, but this designer was not in like their own store in Las Vegas, and so I'm just like, well, if we can't find it, I'll just order it at home. And then when I was like looking for the specific pair of shoes, I saw that they went on sale. I know that this is an insane amount to pay for shoes, but I have been wanting these for over a year and a half. I constantly think about them. I told myself that when I was able to have enough money saved for a designer pair of shoes, it was going to be this one first, even more than the Louboutins. So, and this is also a shoe that's like, you love it or you hate it. Eric hates it, but I absolutely love it, and I think that's all that matters. I ordered it from Mytheresa because they were the ones that were having a huge sale. So when you order it, it comes in this beautiful Mytheresa packaging. Open her up and you have a nice little card, and then in this folder you have all of your like order information, like your receipt, if you want to like return it or anything like that. Beautiful packaging. Sticker. And if you guys know designers, you probably already know which designer it is. Woo! So exciting. So this is from Vito Rossi. Pretty standard packaging. I was kind of like underwhelmed with his packaging. I would have thought it would have been a little bit more luxe, but yes. So he is an Italian designer. He is pretty hot at the moment, has been hot for a couple of months, and I saw a luxury blogger that I love watching her videos talk about how comfortable these shoes were, how these shoes were her favorite shoes. They're just so unique and blah blah blah, and it kind of just made me want them. So you open it up, comes with the dust bag for them. get a nice little card and put everything back. And these are the shoes. I am obsessed with them. These are the plexi pumps, and these are in the 70mm size. Yeah, the 70mm size and the white. And then I sized up a half size. Every review that I watched on YouTube said that these are true to size, but for me personally, even with like non-designer shoes, any shoe that's kind of pointed at the tip, for some reason I feel like the top of my foot, like my toes, like spread out more. I don't know. So anytime that it's a pointed tip, I always go up half a size naturally. So I ordered my true size and then just went a half size up. So these are a 39.5, which is a 9.5 US. But I absolutely love these. These were exactly the ones I wanted. I wanted this heel height specifically because I am not big on really high heels. I just don't like them. Just wanted to be able to get these in a size that wasn't like a tiny kitten heel, but also comfortable enough for me to wear them all day. I did use these for my grad party. I posted a picture on Instagram. A lot of you guys really like them. These are the shoes. I am so obsessed with them. I love them so much. Like I said, these were exactly the ones I wanted, this colorway and everything, and I don't know, I love them. I love them so much. These shoes are normally $740. Like this one right here is $740, or some places, depending on where you get them, could be like $695. It just kind of depends where you get them, but I've seen them as like full priced $740. And at Mytheresa, we're like on hella sale. They were still a lot of money, and I will have the price that I paid down below if you guys are curious how much I saved. But so far they have been worth it. I used these all day at my grad party. Everybody loved them. They were so comfortable. You would think that this plexi would be like uncomfortable because it's like, you know, that plastic stuff, but it's not. It like molds to your foot, and I just love them. They have lived up to the hype. I love them so much. I cannot wait to get a ton more use out of them. The last thing I got, of course you guys saw, it is from Chanel. I actually had to go through 3 different Chanels. I went to 2 and they didn't have what I was looking for, and then the third one also didn't have what I was looking for. I was actually gonna get something else, but then I saw this and I loved it. So this is a camellia on there, and this is the tiny box, so you guys can probably tell what it is already. And this actually did come wrapped up, because normally they'll have another like camellia here, and then it came wrapped up, but I just thought, like, you know, one is enough, and so I put that in my closet. So little box, and when you open her up, try to get it out. So it comes in this really nice like velvet packaging. It's a Chanel right there. So you open it up like this way, and there you go. Love these so much. So these are the Chanel medium like stud earrings. I don't know the specific name, but I know that the size of these is the medium size. So when I went into Chanel, or when I was looking at Chanel, I actually wanted to get the extra large ones, the ones that you see like all the bloggers wearing right now. But of course they were sold out, the first 2, and they didn't have any. And then they did have like these, but they had them in like a really small size. There's like a extra small, a small, medium, and then I think there's a large. I'm pretty sure there's a large, and then the extra large ones. So these are like the medium size ones. And when we went to the 3rd boutique and they didn't have them there, I saw these and I was just kind of like literally, like I could not look away from them. A long time ago, like back in high school days too, I really wanted a pair of Chanel stud earrings like this. I had set in my mind that for my graduation I wanted the extra large size, but because they didn't have the extra large size, I decided to go with the medium ones, because I've always wanted Chanel earrings like that, and I figured that these medium ones would be perfect for like everyday kind of wear, or for like work, because they're not so big, but they still kind of stand out since they do have the CCs on them. I don't know, when I saw these, I fell in love. I love the packaging of it. I love everything. These are just so luxe. They were expensive because they are Chanel, but I love them. These are timeless pieces that you're gonna get tons and tons of use out of them, and every single year after they reproduce these style of earrings, like they're always in style. They're always gonna be in style, so totally obsessed with them. I love them. I'm so excited to finally be able to wear them, because I've been holding out until I filmed this video so that you guys can see before I actually wear the stuff. But that is it. That is all the luxury things that I purchased. Hopefully you guys liked it. Hopefully you guys got some ideas for like some good gifts and everything. And like I said, you know, besides the Chanel and the shoes, the other two things weren't that crazy expensive. I will have prices listed down below which specific one I got, and if I can find links online I will have those down for you guys as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, all that stuff is going to be linked down below for you guys, as well as coupon codes to help you save some money. If you guys are interested in seeing some more fashion, some more luxury stuff, maybe some reviews, like I said, I'm hoping to be able to buy maybe 1 or 2 more luxury items before the year ends. Definitely leave it down in the comments and I will check that out for you guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you